Spending more time assigning tickets than solving them? Auto-assignment in HappyFox cuts the grunt work in ticket assignment and lets your team focus on resolutions. Let's look at the IT hardware requests category, with 2 new tickets sitting unassigned. Manually assigning these might seem simple, but across dozens of tickets every day, it slows down your team and the time lost quickly adds up. Now look at the technical support category, where auto-assignment is active for new tickets. Every recent ticket gets instantly routed to available agents, so nothing sits idle and resolutions happen faster. Let's see how admins configured auto-assignment for the human resources category. From the menu, go to Automate and to Auto-assignment. Here we'll select the category as Human Resources to enable auto-assignment. You'll find 3 types of assignment. 1. Round Robin. Distributes tickets equally among selected agents, regardless of availability. You can simply choose which agents the tickets should go to in a cyclically fashion, and it's done. 2. Round Robin on active agents with load balance. Assigns tickets based on workload. In addition to access and agent selection, you can set throttle limits and distribute fairly between agents with or without limits. 3. Round Robin based on active agents. Assigns tickets to agents who are currently logged in and active. You can define access for agents, set statuses to exclude, and define throttle limits so no one gets overloaded. For our use case, let's pick Round Robin based on active agents. On the next screen, we'll enable the necessary criteria for this assignment. First, associate the agents who will participate in the Round Robin. Exclude any ticket statuses that shouldn't trigger an assignment, and set a throttle limit to manage your team's workload. Finally, we'll give this rule a name: Technical Support Auto-Assignment, and enable it. Now, every new technical support ticket gets instantly routed to active agents based on the throttle limits. With auto-assignment in HappyFox Help Desk, admins can eliminate the overhead of manual ticket routing, distribute work fairly across the team, and ensure faster responses from the right agent every time. If you need more help, click on Support to chat, submit a ticket, or read our knowledge base articles. You can also visit our HappyFox University to continue watching more videos like this one.